Good day, gentlemen, ladies, mga kataktik. Again, this is Captain Nolly. Welcome back to our tutorial on how to use my basic Excel program for cargo calculation for bulk carriers. Okay, for this time, I will teach you how to use this maximum cargo calculation button. Okay, gentlemen, on this button, it will direct you to the database or table of all my calculations, previous or old calculations. Everything is recorded or saved on this one worksheet. Okay, but before we proceed, let's go back to the basic cargo calculation form. Okay, for those learners, student, cadet, ratings who are keen and interested in professional advancement, you can use this form. Okay, so if you notice on the left side, this is step-by-step procedures. Okay, and there is also some formulas on how to achieve the result. Okay, let's for example, here is 11.5 is the drop limitation and the density is 1.006. And then you can skip step number 3, 4, 5, and 6, as this will be collected or taken from the hydrostatic table and shift particulars. Then let's proceed on the step number 7, which is the on hands or ROBs. And then step number 8 is the constant. Then you can also include the deflection allowance if the charterer is asking for it. Okay? And then step number 10 will be the result of maximum cargo to load. Okay? And the bottom step number 14, we have also here the even cargo distribution. If you wish to calculate and use this one for the loading computer to distribute your cargo for even cargo distribution. On the right side, gentlemen, we have here the reverse calculation. If we have the booking cargo, exact booking cargo, let's say 50,000, and then going up in order to find the target drop. Okay, so this is also a single calculation worksheet. Okay, let's go back to our table or database. Gentlemen, if you wish to use this table or this worksheet, first thing to do is to insert new tab row by clicking this button, and then just follow another row will be inserted in this row number 1. Okay, and then just follow the header. Okay, like for example, the day, voice number, date, port, cargo, drop, density, and then these data will be automatically calculated. And then next is the ROBs. You have to input the ROBs, okay? And then the constant, and then the maximum cargo to load will reflect here. Gentlemen, if there is a decimal result on the maximum cargo calculation, you can put here the adjustment. Like for example, on the result there is a decimal of 3. So let's put here negative 0.3, so that the result of maximum cargo to load is whole number. Then next columns, you have to input here the drops as the result on your loading computer. Okay, and then the storage factor and the hatch wise. Gentlemen, if you put here the storage factor, if you will notice, uh, we input here only on the cargo hold number 1, and then the succeeding cargo hold will reflect the 1 storage factor, so that less input data. Same on the cargo type, but still you can bypass if you wish to. Okay, and then input also here the load port, and then the discharging port, and the succeeding columns. If you wish to input the result of stability, you can put it also. Okay, and then the remarks. Gentlemen, these remarks will reflect all the data here will reflect on your storage plan. Okay? Before we go to storage plan, let me introduce also to you this create email button. All your calculation here will reflect the latest. Okay? The latest calculation will reflect on your create email. When you click this button, it will create an email for cargo breakdown calculation plus the hatch wise. You can copy paste and then submit to master or to the charterer. Okay? Then, okay, let's cancel this. Then, let's go back to maximum cargo calculation. As I said, all your data's input here will reflect to your stowage plan. So this is our stowage plan for 5 holes with gear. If you wish to review your previous calculation or stowage plan, gentlemen, just tick this box and then you can select on this list box. Okay? But for now, let's untick this box. Okay? If your vessel has more than 5 holes or less 5 holes, we can use another worksheet, this one, and then just select the number of holes from the minimum is 2 holes and the maximum is 5 holes. Okay, so let's go back to the 5 holes with gear. Okay, so I wish, gentlemen, this short tutorial will assist you on how to use my basic Excel program and can assist you in your cargo calculation. Okay, so next time I will introduce or teach you on how to use other buttons. But for the meantime, if you have this free Excel program of mine, you can explore freely. Okay, if you have any question, just leave your comment on the comment section. Okay, that's all, gentlemen. See you in the next tutorial. God bless and may all your dreams come true. This is Captain Nolly. Thank you and good day.